Hello and welcome to this video tutorial in which you will learn how to recognize and solve some problems in the automatically created network that agents use to navigate through the environment. This automatically created network is referred to as the ECM network. Important elements of this network are the medial axes. These are the lines displayed in the middle of the walkable space, thus in the middle of corridors and in each corner. When an agent walks from one point to another, the start and goal locations are mapped to the medial axes. There can be several possible routes along the medial axes that connect the start and goal point. The global route is the least effort path along the edges of the medial axes is determined. Here, the density of the crowd is taken into account. This forms a corridor in which the agent can move to its destination. The agent follows a so-called indicative route in this corridor, but it will avoid other agents. The indicative route can change due to local circumstances, but will stay within the corridor defined by the global route. The global route is fixed. In this example, the agent will thus decide at the start if it will move left or right of the column to reach its destination. It is possible to use, for example, a flow splitter or action area element to make sure the agent locally reconsiders, but this will not be explained in this video. If mistakes are made in defining the infrastructure and a simulation is run, the error window can pop up with a routing error message. There are 3 error types that I will show that have to do with the ECM framework. Each of the errors and possible causes can be found in the help. Just search the error number. If a lot of agents are created in the model, many of them will cause the same error message because they encounter the same network problem. Errors 1001 and 1002 indicate invalid start or goal locations, and error 1004 no network between start and goal. Let's focus on the invalid start and goal errors first. The walkable space can be visualized and colored light blue. Note the difference between both the entry-exit areas. The left one is not in the walkable space. This problem can be solved by enabling the Ensure Walkable Area property. If I run the model again, the error no network between start and goal pops up. The agents that cannot find a route hold their position. The color of the medial axes differs for both layers and also in entry-exit 2, indicating separate networks. There is an escalator, but does it form a transfer connection? No, the transfer property is not set. I make sure there is some overlap between entry-exit 2 and the height layer. The network's medial axes now have one color on both height layers. Running the model, the error no route found between start and goal locations still pops up. A transfer connection exists, but the escalator only moves up. If a flight of stairs is added that can be used in both directions, all agents can find a route. In larger models, the Show Location tool on the View tab can also help find a problem. The error message of the network can always display the start and/or goal location. The red circle indicates the location. If you are creating a model, it is always a good idea to test run the model with only a few agents. For example, by limiting the number of agents to create in the generator. In this video, you have seen what errors can occur and how you can find what the problem is that needs to be fixed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.